When we started developing the SPATZ, we didn't realize how much potential it really had. In the meantime, we are convinced that the SPATZ will completely change the plant layout in many production processes. The SPATZ combines precise screw-driving technology, assembly sequences and other pre- and post-processes in a unique way. There is no comparable system in the world. With the SPATZ, we are opening up completely new possibilities for plant designers and machine builders. I'm totally sure that the SPATZ is the future of screw-driving and assembly technology.
The development of the SPATZ started from an idea that we had after participating in a forum for robot applications. We analyzed the customer requests and realized the use for robots very often goes hand in hand with high demands and flexibility. In particular, the demand for robot-operated screw-driving systems that can screw in different fasteners was very high. We developed the concept of a modular system in which the drive and tools are separated one of each other in order to be able to process different screws with one system. In that process, we realized that other applications are possible besides screw-driving, such as gripping, positioning or mounting. With its functions, the SPATZ opens up completely new possibilities for equipping workpiece fixture with different parts and screwing them together with different screws in a single system. This can be fasteners with different shapes, screws, nuts or wire thread inserts. In addition, further processing steps such as deburring, laser marking and labeling can be integrated. And all that with the same system. This makes it easy to automate manual processes. The use of the SPATZ makes it possible to plan applications with significant reduced space requirements because one system carries out several operations. Additional screw-driving units, assembly robots and manual workstations are not needed. Of course, this also reduced the cost in the assembly lines and increased the benefit without additional invest. Other tools can be added later on. This makes it possible to react very quickly and flexibly to changes in product design, production processes or the use of other screws. The SPATZ can be used for disassembling too, what makes it an interesting application also for recycling purposes.
Our customer Mitsubishi Turbocharger and Engine Europe contacted us with a request for a highly flexible system. It should be as easy as possible to reconfigure, have minimal conversion times and enable short new production implementation. The aim was to develop, realize and test a new assembly module for various screw connections on a selection of existing products. The assembly module is to be integrated into a new assembly line at a later date and must be easily adaptable for future products that are still unknown today. The challenge was to design the system in such a way that the different screw-driving locations and torques can be achieved with consistent quality regardless of the tool used. 8 different screws are to be either screwed in via pick and place or already pre-inserted screws are to be tightened. For this purpose, the SPATZ was equipped with a toolset of 6 different screw bits. Quick tool change and fast pickup of screws are essential. The tool holder was redesigned by us in this project. The new patent-pending solution guarantees the reliable function of the tool change. The screw-driving directions are horizontal, vertical up and down, and diagonal, past interfering edges. For a screw-driving location that is difficult to access, a specially developed output socket gear is installed. For screw-driving locations with interfering edges, we have opted for a vacuum solution. The system is designed for torques from 2 Nm up to 28 Nm. Automatic feed units with external supply are used for the various screws. By using a robot from Universal Robots, the screw-driving locations can be reprogrammed very easily and flexibly with the help of the specially developed UR+ software, so that future expansion and changes to the system layout are possible very quickly.
The possible uses of the system are almost limitless. We invite you to actively take part in the further design of the SPATZ. The more imaginative your wishes and ideas, the more universal and flexible its application will be. Be creative and break new ground. Become a star with our SPATZ.